332, and I did 331, which is basically the same, similar, just different numbers. And we talk about geometric means, where we know, data from a beginning of a period and data at the end of the period. In my case, it's talking about consumer price index for 31. It says if in 2000 it was 172.2, and by 2012 it was up to 229.6. What was the average increase, or the average inflation rate for that period of time? And so we can do that, and I've got it here, and this is the correct number, but we can do that by looking at that formula on that same page in the blue above it. So it's the value at the end divided by the value at the start, okay? And then we take it to the root power of whatever the number of periods was, and we subtract 1. Okay, so we'll hit our equal sign, and we will say value at the end of the period divided by value at the beginning of the period. I think I'm going to need that in parentheses, though, so I'm going to come back here and I can put those in parentheses, and then I can continue on with my equation, and I'm going to take that to the 12th root, right? So I'm going to use my little 10th thing, and then I'm going to need parentheses, and that'd be 1 divided by 12, okay, and I need parentheses. Then I have to subtract 1. And I thought maybe I'd need a parentheses here and here, another set, because I'm subtracting that 1, but if I remember our math, it'll do this division inside the parentheses, and it'll do this function next, and then because this is a subtraction, it does it last, and because it's at the end, it does it last. And so we're okay there. I should be able to hit enter and end up with the same deal. All I did over here was I separated it out, okay, and you could do it this way as well. You could say that this is equal to the value at the end of the period divided by the value at the beginning of the period, okay, and then this is equal to this number to the 12th root, and then this is equal to that minus 1. So however you want to do it is fine. And again, it's nice if we kind of highlight those.